Okay, Honda Diaries Part 2 of the LED light bar experience. So what I did is, I'll come over to this other side, just to show proof. I'm not going to run it too long because I don't know how long my battery will last without on and with it not running. So what I did is, the wiring harness it comes with, or you buy separately, but it says it comes with, I just went to the batteries, used its factory attach point right there. I just undid that zip tie, redid it back up, and I did a couple zip ties here, put the slack right here, ran it up. I should have went on the other side of this fuel line hose. I really should have, but I missed that later. Then I came up here, you can see these shiny lines right here, and I believe I gave it enough slack that you can still turn the steering wheel. And it's under here. And then that white connection, let me go back, that white connection goes to the switch, which I will put right here. You can kind of see how, where the cigarette lighter is supposed to be on all the other nicer models. And then the light bar, I'm going to put right here. So then I can just undo the connections right there. And voila, I still don't know how I'm going to mount this yet. I really don't like doing this, but I might just go straight to this plastic because it seems hard enough. And it's not part of the gauge cluster, as you can see the gauge cluster still there, that I should be able to purchase that if I ever want to get rid of it. And it'll only be like a little 3/8, or I think it's 3/8 inch hole for the light. But yeah, that took me, let's see, what's all the tools I used? Flathead screwdriver for the battery. This is on the Honda Rancher 420. And this is the Autocraft LED kit from Walmart, about $44 with tax. Zip ties, side cuts to cut the zip ties, a flathead screwdriver, and that's it so far. I still have to drill the hole for the switch, which will take a 3/4 inch, I think, if my math is correct. I need to grab a tape measure and verify that. A 3/4 inch. So what you do is you cut the size of those clips, shove it through there, and then those clips hold against it. But the problem is I just don't know what size I need to cut so it'll actually hold. I'm kind of worried about that. I really don't want to drill this in, because if I do the wrong size, especially one size too big, or that plastic is too thick, or any number of things, then it won't stay put, and then I ruined the plastic. But so 3/4 inch bit there, or excuse me, 3/4 inch spade bit is probably what I'm going to need, and then a socket. Let's see. Looks like an Allen wrench that comes with the set, and then a 1/2 inch socket to mount that, and then probably a 3/8 inch. Well, that's not 3/8. That's probably more like a 1/4. Probably 1/4 inch drill bit. So really not a lot of supplies. The only thing that I don't have out of that mechanic set, which is just a bunch of random crap, Home Depot, my basic tools. I have more hand tools in my truck. The only thing that I don't have is I only have a drill bit that goes up to 1/2 inch, and then in this kit, this random kit I inherited, I only have a 1 inch spade. So to mount this, I'm going to have to go buy the correct size to make that work through there. And that's what I'm most nervous about, I'll be honest. I'm seriously contemplating whether I just that looks ghetto. Right there doesn't look ghetto. That almost looks like factory. And I like that look, that it just, nobody realizes it, but it's there. That's ghetto. Especially it'll be out in the elements. that could work for now until I get the correct bit. Just zip tie it there. It's really ghetto though, I don't really like that. It's probably the least ghetto spot out of all of them so far that I've come up with, but we'll see. But yeah, it's going really good. Seems to be working, so all good things.